Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The DIY Cassidy. I'm Cassidy and today I'm going to show you how to make really easy, really cheap envelopes. The reason I'm doing this is because I've recently started getting into pen paling with some people that maybe I just lost touch with after high school, which was longer ago than I'd like to admit, as well as I've just joined different like Facebook groups and whatnot where you can essentially find pen pals all over the world. So a lot of these pen palers really decorate their envelopes and their letters, and I thought, you know, I'd love to do that, but I just don't have the time to like sit and like hand doodle everything. So essentially all I did was take some scrapbook paper that I've had in my stash, and I made these super cute envelopes where you can place a letter, put a stamp on it, and send it off. So I've made a couple different designs. You know, I have a cool tie-dye one, some animals, as well as this really sweet, sorry I'm blocking off an address, cactus print. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you see how I made these. And hey, I almost forgot, if you like DIYs and you like inexpensive DIYs, please don't forget to give this channel a thumbs up as well as subscribe. It really helps me grow. Now let's get to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make some really cute envelopes from scrapbook paper. I recently started pen paling, so that's why I've been making these. And you can make them in a couple different sizes. Really, a lot of it is just playing around. So what we'll need is a piece of scrapbook paper, the square, a glue stick, and tape. You can use double-sided tape. I only have regular Scotch tape from the dollar store. So these are the supplies that I'm using. And let's go ahead and get started. So first, you will fold your paper, flip it over so the design is facing down, and fold it corners touching. Try to get it as straight as you can. And go ahead and crease it. And I like to take a pen just to really get my creases down. Like so. So it's nice and flat. And then I take the corner, the top corner, so we have a triangle. So I take the corner and I fold it towards me. And I kind of measure, you know, with my hands, or, you know, I don't fully fold. I just kind of say, okay, if I do that there, that needs to come down to about there. So just fold it down again. So the top is pretty much touching the bottom, maybe not exactly, but pretty close. And again, I'm just gonna help the crease. Okay. Then I'm just gonna kind of fold that back up for a second. Then I'm going to, so I have these two corners and essentially we're folding them both in like so. So just do them one at a time. Again, help yourself out with getting a good crease. And kind of overlap it like so. I really like this tie-dye pattern. It's really cute. Okay. And then you can see when you fold it down like this, and you might need to adjust it a tiny bit. Kind of refold a little bit. Okay, so then you can see once you have it back like this, you have a complete envelope. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna kind of unfold it. And then you can see, so where your letter is going to go is actually in between. It'll go into the white. And I just don't like having this logo showing or the white showing. So what I do is I just flip this one tab over with the price tag. I just, you know, it's already folded, so I just fold it over the back way. Get two little pieces of tape. You could also use glue, it doesn't really matter. I just have tape nearby. And I tape that down like so. So then I fold it back up and that's what you're left with, right? So now we're just gonna glue down these two little corners on each side, you know, that we fold, and we're just gonna glue those. I also put a little bit of glue in between. You can see in between that white, just a little, just it helps it look a little bit more flat and professional. And I fold that over like so. Again, use some type of a pen just to help you really get it down. And you could, like I said, use double-sided tape here instead of glue, but I don't have any and I wasn't gonna run all the way to the store just to buy double-sided tape. So again, I'm gonna put a little bit of glue in here, and then on these kind of corners, the flaps. Here we go. Fold it back like that. And just help it down. Okay, so now you have your envelope, and this is where you will put your letter into, just like so. And then when you're ready, you'll fold it down, address the front. There you go, pretty easy. You can use any type of scrapbook paper. You can play around with different sizes of scrapbook paper. This one's more of a square, as you can see. And really, it's just a fun way to make your postcards, or not your postcards, your pen pal letters, or you know, a letter to your friend, a little bit more just fun and personal. So there you have it, really easy. I hope you loved this tutorial on how to make your own envelopes using really cute scrapbook paper. I also just wanted to throw in a little quick tidbit on how I'm addressing these, because as you can see, the prints are really busy. It's gonna be hard to just straight up write on them. All I did was I just took computer paper and cut them into, you know, equivalent size squares depending on the envelope, and I addressed it. I am blocking someone's address here. I'm writing someone named Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. And I went ahead and I just glued it on the front with her address. You can place the stamp all the same, and it's really easy, and it makes it just feel so much more personal. Also, where I'm putting the return address is, again, I just took a little square. I'm blocking my address, of course, and I just glued it on the back of the envelope. So really easy to address it too. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you guys.